So, my dear learners, we are about to start our class. And today, though it is not Saturday, as you know that on Saturdays we have speaking sessions, but it is not sure that only on Saturdays we can have only speaking sessions. Today also we are having a speaking session. And as you know very well that these days English is very important language, and we go to school and there is a subject named English. The actual purpose of that subject is that we can make ourselves able to use this language frequently, practically. But unfortunately, because of our system, education system, it is not possible in our schools, in most of the schools, because they only see the marks. And our students, most of our students are not able to use this language practically and frequently in their practical life. But you are here for many days. You are here not to pass any class, but you are here to learn this language in a way that can be useful for you. So, today we have again a speaking session, and today's topic is that what can we do? Yeah, how can we improve our English? So, the title may be Improving English. So, this is our topic of today, and you know very well that what you have to do. You have to simply write down your names in chat box, and then we will start our class. I think I have got some names on the topic, and this is very great thing that our students means I mean you are always ready to speak on any topic. This is a very great achievement for me and you also. So, my dear learners, I have got the names Harsh, Harshit, Rohit, Rakshit, Komal, Lucky, and Sushil. So, we are starting our session with Harsh. So, come on, Harsh, and give your thoughts on how we can improve our English.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshada, and today my topic is how we can improve our English. We can improve our English in many ways, but the most important way is practice. We can improve our English only by practice because practice makes a man perfect. And if we just take English like a subject of our school, by this way we cannot learn English. It is the biggest problem of the generation who is learning English. And English can be learnt in many ways. And one of the ways uh, reading its grammar in with practice and
Reading is a weak verb, actually. Reading is
learning
weak verb. Weak word. Okay. Yes.
lear- learning its grammar with practice.
Hmm.
And we should not practice a lot. We should practice like today we have learnt a topic tenses. Then there are many parts of it. We should practice of only two or three parts. If we do practice of many parts at the same time, then our mind will be confused that what is the difference between it and so on.
Hmm.
So we should practice a thing in a limited in a limited uh, quantity,
Way.
in a limited way. So these are the ways in which we can improve our English. And I want to say to the students who learn English in schools that you should not take English as a subject in your class only. You should take it at an international language. That's it.
Very good. Nice speaking. Nice thought. Practice always makes perfect a man. You know very well. And this is the key of all success. So very good, Harsh. Keep it up. And now I am calling Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Harsha Kaura. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is that how can we improve our English? As we all know very well that English has been a very important and international language for many years. It has it has become one of the most important language for the whole world, because as it is the international language, so to communicate with each other we need this language, and there are many methods by which you can learn English. One of them is by understanding its basics and go to the another level which is advanced. And the second way is this, that by living in the environment of this language we can learn this language. But as we all are Indians and we can't learn English as a subject in home because we don't have environment at our home, so we choose the second method, that is by learning by its basics and go to the upper level. In this method we need many things that are very important, like grammars, verbs, and we have to use them at important places that where we are using. If you will use subject, verb or anything at the wrong place, you would not get a correct answer. So, to learn a language, whether it is Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Marathi, and any on, you need uh, you need to do self practice. By self practice, you can improve yourself a lot, because when you do self practice, you have a thought in your mind that you can do, and you write your thoughts in the notebook, and in the starting you will make a lot of mistakes, but by those mistakes you will get on. If at the beginning you will say yourself that I can't, then it will not be possible to learn English language for you. And if you will say that I can, and learn this language in very good manner, and with hard work, you can learn this language easily. And to learn this language we need subject, verb, object, helping verb, and these are very important. And verb is one of the most important part in a sentence. Uh, and nowadays, as you can see, that there are many coachings in of English, but there are in some there are good education. There is good education, and in most of the coachings there is not good education. And nowadays you can see that the students of 10th, 12th, and these classes can't speak English. What's the reason behind it? The main reason is this, that the school don't focus at making the child develop. They want to complete their syllabus so that the child may get marks in the examinations, but they don't think that what effect will the child get if they won't teach them English. So if you are in any examination, if and it is held in English language, then it is very important for you to convert your thoughts from Hindi to English. And to do this, you must have the knowledge of English. That's it, sir.
Very good, very nice explanation. Emphasizing that environment is also very necessary, and then practice, then the learning, the small parts of grammar. It is very necessary for learning a language, and then practice, self practice. These all are the factors that can be followed to improve this language. So very good, and I think this is the name of Rohit. Next
Yes,
name
sir.
is of Rohit. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Arun. Today I'm going to tell you that how we can improve our English. As you know that English is an international language and it is the most useful language in the world as many people use it. As you all know that in our schools English is learnt. English
Hmm.
English is taught by our teachers.
and they do not teach us. They do not teach us in the right manner because they always tell us to iterate the chapters and the question answers. They do not say us to do the question answers or the word mean or anything in the chapter by our own. They write on the board and we copy them in the notebook and learn them and write in the exam. So this will not work in improving our English. This will bring us down in our life as iterating the things is not good for anyone in the world. So to improve English, first thing is practice. Practice is needed in every type of language to learn it. And as we know that nowadays there is a big craze of English, and English can be learned by practicing reading or listening something who's speaking English and translating English in our minds. So this will help us more to improve our English. Like if some foreigner giving a speech, if we listen in and translate his speech in our mind, then we will improve our listening capacity, and listening is more useful than speaking. So when we practice practice makes a man perfect. So when we practice a same types of question, then there if we will practice a topic for 4 to 5 times in 1 month, then it will be in our mind for many years. So in my view, I think that English is a very good language, and there are many ways to improve it. That's it, sir.
Very nice speaking, Rohit. You also told that practice is very important. Practice is the key of getting perfection in any field. And you also told that iteration, just by iteration, we can't improve our language. This is a delusion. So we must avoid it. We should try to make a system in our mind where we can change our thoughts in different languages. So this is the main thing. So very good, Rohit. Keep it up. Shabash. Now I am calling Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and as we will know that today's our topic is about English. That how can we improve our English? So, as we all know that English is an international language, and it is used in many countries, also and also in India, and and it is a foreign language, and that with and as we know that when English, the knowledge of English is very important in today's world, because English is used at many places, like when you are giving an interview, then the officer who is taking your interview asks, if he asks the question in English language, then you should answer the question in the same language, and because it will सर डालना को क्या बोलते हैं
क्या डालना?
सर वो इम्प्रेशन डालेगा
पूरा वर्ब यूज कर लो ना. It will impress.
ओके ओके सर it will impress it will impress you in the mind, or in the mind of the officer, and as you know that
The person who takes interview is called interviewer.
okay sir, interviewer.
हाँ.
And as well as that there are two methods to learn a language. First, to live in that environment, and second, to learn the basics and advance of the language, like and as well as that to learn any language, or to get any goal, to achieve any goal, we have to do practice. And and if you are doing practice, so you should have the feelings of determination, hard work, concentration, and willpower. And if you concentrate on these feelings, then you should definitely achieve your goal. And And as you know that English cannot be learned by iterating. That in many schools, many teachers write the rules of the language and give some examples and say that say to students to learn the rules, and so this is not the correct option to learn a language. To learn a language, understanding is a very big thing, and if you understand these things, then you would improve your English or any language. And as well as that you can improve your English language by you should improve your English language by 4 ways, and if you focus on these 4 ways, then you will improve your English. And the 4 ways are listening, speaking, writing, and reading. And self practice is also a big method to to learn English. That you should write some paragraphs or sentences daily and in English, and all, and you should read books and also try to translate the sentences in the books. And you should listen the English speeches or anything and try to understand it in your own language.
Very good.
And you and etc. And as we all know that English is a foreign language, so to learn, and we are Indians, so at this stage we start English, so we should not focus on the mistakes we do. We should focus on that how we can correct it.
Very good.
And and sir, that's it.
Very good. Nice speaking. He has given us many good advices, and he also told us that what is the importance of hard work, determination, honesty. And then he told us about the skills of English language, of any language like speaking, reading, listening, writing. And he also told us that we should not focus on problems, but we should focus on the solution. Very nice speaking. Very nice thought. Rakshit, keep it up, beta. Shabash, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Very good, beta. Yes, and now I am calling, and this is the name of Komal. Yes, Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today my topic is improving English. And we all know that we live in society and there are many types of language like Hindi, English, Tamil, Urdu, Marathi, etc. And we all know that English is most important and helpful language for us. And in my views, English language give respect to us in the society, and it is international language also. And we all know that in different types of schools English language is also taught, but there is not a correct way to learn English, sorry, to teach English. And in and we all know that English is also helpful language, so we need to learn this language. And there are many types of way to learn this English language. First of all, we need to learn base of English language. And in the base of English language we need to learn that how to make sentences and how to knowledge of verb and direct object, indirect object also. And in my second view, that after learning after learning basic of English language, then we need to advance grammar. And in the advanced grammar, that models, active, passive voice, direct, indirect, and other many things. And all things are we all we can learn all things are by practice, and practice is also important to learn anything. And we can learn English with the help of practice. Practice is the key of success. And in my view, we will listen to any debate and other paragraph,
We should
and
we
then
should listen.
we
Should आएगा ना? This is a suggestion.
okay sir, we should listen any debate and or other paragraph, and then we should select good and most important words from it.
Very good.
Then
Very good.
then we should write on it ourselves. And it is, in my views, it is the way to improve English. And we all know that there are many types of also learn to basic English and advanced grammar also, that practice and listening and writing is also way to improve English ourselves. That's it, sir.
Very nice speaking, Komal. She told us the importance of listening, because if we want to be a good speaker, it is necessary for us to be a good listener. If we want to be a good writer, it is necessary for us to be a good reader. So these all are the skills that we should develop. We should try to develop. Very nice speaking, Komal. Keep it up. Shabash, beta. Yes, and now Lucky. Come, Lucky.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Lucky Bedwa. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 16. We all know that today our topic is how can we improve our English. We all know that we live in Bharat. In the Bharat, few people can speak English properly. If you, okay, sir. We all know that we learn English in this class, but we can improve our English in many ways, like self-practice, help of vocabulary and listening and speaking, and other many ways. We all know that self-practice is the most important thing. And yes, sir. Sorry, sir. With the help of self-practice, we can improve our English, and we all know that self-practice is the key of success. And second method is very important, because this is an important role in English. Vocabulary is very important, because with the help of vocabulary we can make sentence properly and speak properly. We all know that English is the most important language, and it is international language. In my views, every person should improve our English.
Their English.
Okay, sir. Every student improve their English in many ways, like they write letter, paragraph, story in every day. With this help, they can improve their English. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice efforts, Lucky. Shabash, beta. Writing karte raho. Write a paragraph about 200-300 words daily. This is the way. Okay, and reading. Continue your reading. Continue your writing. You will get through. Okay. Very good. Shabash, beta. Keep it up. And yes, now I am calling Sushil.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am the student of the Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B16. And today our topic is how can we improve our English. As we know that we are human beings, and to communicate we should have a language, and we communicate in many languages, like in Hindi, in English, in Marathi, in Bhojpuri, and in Maharashtra, and in Punjabi, so on. But now present time English is very important because as you know that we are student and we read in our schools and colleges. There we read many subjects like m- maths, SST, science, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, other subjects.
Shabash.
But after studying in our high schools and high colleges, in spite of this, we are not able to speak
Shabash.
English.
Very good. Right use of is spite of. Very good. Keep it up. Hmm.
We are not able to speak English. We are not able to write. We are not able to understand this language. Why? Why? What is this? What is reason?
Hmm.
Because of our bad education system. As we know that, as we know that we read in our school and our teachers write us some rules and ask us to iterate them. And when we give our examination, before the examination our teachers ask us to iterate paragraph, question answers, and stories, etc. Why? And this is a language. This can't be iterate. This is only learn. And now I tell that how
Connecting issue. Sorry. He's disconnected. I think he's not here with us. Now I'm stopping the recording. Okay. But first I want to tell you that I'm very happy that you elaborate, you described the topic very well in your own words. Now you understand many things. I'm very happy with both your sentence structures, making your sentences, delivering, and your thoughts. All things are very nice. Then your way of speaking, your fluency, you are getting speed day by day. You have got it. Many of you have got it. And many of you are coming here just for practice, nothing else. So this is a good thing. Keep it up. कंटिन्यू करें अपने आप को मेहनत करें बस और तो क्या है दिस इज माय अचीवमेंट एज वेल एज योर्स if you are at this level because of your hard work and because of my guidance. So keep it up. Shabash beta. Very good.